Dad.
Papa-oil change ka, di ba?
Yes, oil change.
Oil change, yep.
How you doing?
Hello.
Can we do for you?
Oil change for today?
You guys been here?
Yeah.
We're gonna keep it running. We're just about checking off the lights real quick, alright?
Okay. I can't see. Oh, high beams. How do you do high beams? I can't see you. I'm sorry. I can't
Pull the
see.
stick towards you.
Hold the sticks.
Yeah.
We'll have to check the lights.
So all the lights are good. You can keep it running till the lights off, and then pop the hood for me.
Where's the hood then? I'm sorry.
No, it should be. I think it's
Should
on.
be here somewhere. Let's see. No?
No,
Where's
it
the
should
hood?
be.
It's right there.
It's right
So
here.
we're
Oh, I
a
can
little bit
see.
to your right. It's like right in front of you. Thing.
See it? I can't see. There you go. Sorry.
There you go.
Keep it
What's
running, you said, right?
Yeah. So what's the current mileage?
It's, well, 59,982.
No, they have to do the oil change. Hmm? Huh? You can see? Bukas mo daw yung window niya. There. You like it?
Another vehicle under Joey.
Yes.
Go to turn the vehicle off, and then place the keys into his box for me.
Where's the keys?
You want to continue with the full synthetic oil?
Oh, yeah.
We have a coupon. Can we use that one?
You want to use the 20?
Yes.
What?
You can scan it.
Oh, it's for the transmission.
This is for the transmission.
Oh, okay. So just use the military discount then. Oh, this is the transmission fluid, right?
Yeah, that one's for the transmission fluid.
Okay. Alright.
Hindi ka nagbabasa.
I don't know.
So the this time you got 115.42.
Okay.
I'll pay now.
Are you going to the end?
I'm sorry.
Go wait to the
okay.
end.
I don't know. Transmission and oil is the same fluid.
No, the oil is different.
Are you sure?
Transmission is, yeah.
I mean transmission.
You should know.
Malay ko kanya nga pinapa-oil change ko. Di ko alam kung anong transmission tsaka oil. Huh?
Take a nap, son. That's not even long. Sleep some more. Get you a pillow. There's a pillow at the back.
The disgusting pillow.
No, I washed those.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are clean.
Those are clean. What are you talking about?
You just watched them. Washed them.
Yeah, and son, I washed it before I brought it here. They've been there, but it's clean. Nobody uses it.
If it's clean, why do I smell butt farts?
You probably sat on it. That's why.
I didn't sit on it.
What's on my bag?
I smell butt
On the
farts.
floor.
I smell butt farts from recently.
Okay, that's disgusting.
I can see him. And back. And back. And back. Mom, and back. Mommy and
Paalis na pala sila, Jenny.
Punta saan? Ah, dito?
Diba? Ano?
California.
Nakakaingit ang
Kaming ano? Makita.
1:15.
Hello. How you guys doing today? Based on the mileage for the car, you're gonna have a radiator still looking good, so you don't have to worry for that one. Power steering is gonna be electronic in your car, so you don't have to worry for that one at all. The only one's gonna be the rear differential and transmission showing up. For the rear differential, it's gonna be recommended every 30,000 miles, and transmission every 45,000. The one that I recommend to do first is gonna be the rear differential. It's gonna be the most overdue based on mileage.
Okay.
It takes about 60 minutes, only 90 minutes.
Yeah, I'll probably do that next time. So,
Anytime they want to take care of it, we're open 7 days a week.
yeah.
You don't need any.
So when the report prints out, it has one of those, right? So the report that prints out, it shows the maintenance on it.
I'll put it in the back.
Okay. All right.
Hey, stop, sorry.
No worries.
They're not gonna sit still for that long.
And the last thing that I wouldn't recommend, it's a 2-month fuel treatment for the vehicle. It helps further come build up on the fuel injectors. You just put your gas and text right at the time. It's only $19.99.
No, I'm good.
Sounds good. No worries. I'm right back with you guys. Okay?
All right. Thanks.
Yeah.
sniffed by me. Georgie, stop. Georgie, stop trying to pull my pillow. I said stop, okay?
Shh! Enough. Savannah.